Yo, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Ig-Metxro. We back again with another banger. So, first thing first, all I really want to say is just appreciate real shit. I appreciate all the support I've been getting on YouTube, you know, IG and shit like that. Like real talk. The first 2 videos I dropped, I did not expect to low key get them amount of views. I'm not even gonna sit up here and lie. Cause I think at the time, the first time I dropped my first 2 videos, only had like 10 subscribers or something like that. Nothing crazy, just like some low shit. And then out my whole overall like expectancy of like a video, like if I drop a video, how much views I get, it'd be like 20. And I hit 20 quick as shit. And I'm like, damn, next morning I'll wake up, I'm like at 40 or some shit. But now the video almost at 100. So hey, shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate all the support, all the love, this and that. You know what I'm saying? That shit just crazy to me. But if y'all ever want to ask me any questions, or give me video ideas, you know what I'm saying, my IG is literally my exact same name as my YouTube. So if you got a question like about Forex or some shit, and if it's a decent enough question, I'll low-key turn it into a video. So saying, make sure you go fuck me in the IG. Just let me know you from YouTube. I'll follow back. I literally post my trades every morning. Like if I lose, I post I lost. If I win, I post I win. Simple as that. Like it is what it is. So I dropped a poll on IG I think yesterday, and you know what I'm saying, saying if I should drop a video on my Storytime losing $1,000 in a day, or just different types of trader skits. So I'm gonna still do that video. This one just got way more votes. So this took place on July 2nd, I think 2021, last year. Yeah, last year. So how do I say this shit? It's not for to be too long of a video, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing like too crazy. It's just how it happened and like what happened after I lost it type shit. So hey man, so around that time of last year, I was this is my time where I first got my surgery. Well, I got my surgery for my to get my my thyroid taken out. So if you watched the last video, you kind of know what I'm talking about because I briefly described it on how I lost $1,000 and shit. So this is just a full story, full breakdown, in-depth detail what exactly happened. So at this time, I'll say it again. I was getting ready to go to surgery, and I was like, I want to see if I can make my my check because I was laid off work for like 2-3 weeks, and I wanted to see if I can make my whole check through Forex. And surprisingly, I made my check around like 3 or 4 times in like 1 week. So that shit was crazy. So now I'm doing all this. I'm talking about like one day I hit for like 400, 500, and then the next day, or the day, like a day, it'll be a day, and then I'll hit for something else again. So that happened, and then you know what I'm saying, at this time I'm gassed. I'm like, yo, I might be able to quit my job, like, but only being like a week profitable. Like that shit is so crazy to me. And I'm telling you, I remember going outside one morning. I was like, yo, Dad, like, how much money do I gotta make to like quit my job? He's like, oh, Neil. I'm gonna just say my name. My full name is O'Neil, but you can call me Neil or whatever you want to call me. Metro. I prefer Metro if y'all over the internet. But he was like, I'm not gonna lie to you, Neil. I feel like you need to be profitable for a couple of months. And in my mind, I'm just like, what? Like, bro, I'm locked in with this shit. I'm going crazy right now, bro. I'm in my check like 3 times in a week. I'm good. I was even posting on IG. If you knew me around that time, I was even posting on IG shit. I might not even go back to Walmart. Talking all types of crazy. Speaking too damn soon, right? So, and at this time I had literally only just a little over a 1 year experience. So I was experienced, but I wasn't like, oh, okay, you know what I'm saying? You would if you were like, hey, how long you been trading? Or like a year, you wouldn't expect nobody to say self-employed, right? That shit kind of short for like that. So it's the morning of NFP, and this morning it was July 2nd, so you know we was getting ready to go grab fireworks about a couple hours away because you know they only sell them here. So you know what I'm saying, I'm like, alright, cool, I'm gonna make me hella bread, finna go grab some fireworks, we chilling. And my birthday tomorrow, my birthday on July the 30th, if y'all ain't know. So like it was just all around good vibes that morning. You know what I'm saying? I was even on a little website, typing in NFP, seeing like what if it was gonna be like good or bad news, so I can know if I buy or sell. And I only looked on like one website, and I didn't know what the fuck I was trading. I was even posting on IG, making it seem like I was doing some important shit. You know what I'm saying? Reading analytics and all types of crazy shit, right? Just feeling myself, like writing down notes. I'm like, okay. I'm like, you know what? I think I'm gonna sell this shit. You know what I'm saying? I just think I'm gonna sell this shit. And you know what I'm saying? I was even trying to get a couple people to go like with sales with me, but they just wasn't. I don't know if they really took it though. I'm not gonna lie, cause I don't really have like a big following at the time, so I was on there like, okay, I really think it's gonna sell. Had no real proof, none of that. So you know what I'm saying? Now, this is where it took a turn for worse. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. Like, I'm just really thinking about this shit. And this was the stupidest shit it's the stupidest loss I've, like, really ever had. Like, when I think about it, this shit is so stupid, but we all go through this shit. So, it's around, I say it's about, like, 6 something. I'll say about, like, 6:45. I start hopping all the trades. I hop in, I think, GU, a good couple times, gold a good couple times, and I'm not talking about like no little lot size. I'm talking about like bro, like I'm over leveraging like a motherfucker, like, and me not knowing NFP, like this shit can get crazy. Like I don't know what the fuck. I'm not a, what is it, a fundamental? Is it a fundamental trader? I used to have all this shit written down, but damn. But yeah, I think it's called a fundamental trader. Or a technical, I forgot which fucking was. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But you know, the traders that trade like strictly news and shit, they know a decent amount on how to trade news. Me, I don't know how to trade news. I'm a mixer. At this point, I'm a mixer of a scalper, swing trader, intraday trader, all the bullshit. I'm everything right now. So I don't really know exactly what I can call myself. I was just trying to be everything, trade everything. I was that type of person. So, hopped in all my positions. I'm down like probably like 30 or something like that, because you know drawdown was low-key killing me. I'm like, damn, like I'm down this much and it ain't even started moving yet. But I'm like, I fucking, man, fuck this shit. We finna make hella bread, bro. And that's all I was thinking about. So if you a trader, you feel me on this. Now when you low-key are new and you hop in a decent trade and you're over leveraging, all you really think about in that moment of time is a win. Like how much money I can make, how much money I could come out from it, like how much money could come out from this. You're not really thinking about, oh, I could lose. You think about like, oh, I could lose, but you know, it's not gonna come to that. But you always gotta be prepared for the loss, like real shit. Like you might be able to get a good couple wins over leveraging, but bro, that shit is gonna catch up to you. Like over leveraging is gonna catch up to you, and it's gonna be like, yeah, nigga, this shit real. But so it's around like 7:30, right? And I'm low-key, I'm getting nervous, because I'm like, yo, I'm about to win hella bread. But in the back of my mind, it's like, yo, nigga, you could lose too, like. And I'm just like, fuck off, nigga. I'm not finna lose this shit. I've been going too crazy on the charts. I'm not losing. So 7:30 came, and every position I had, that shit was just, yo, like, I remember this shit, like, yo, and it was so crazy, because this is my first time, like, ever trading NFP, and that's my last fucking time. Like, I'm not touching NFP again. NFP, it's NFP day, computer not even getting turned on, charts not even getting looked at. Fuck NFP, fuck them charts, and fuck Forex on NFP days. I'm not having it. That shit, when I tell you, yo, like, as soon as NFP started, like, it went up just like a little bit, but only to where I got, like, it covered my spread. It never didn't, like, go up and I was up like 300. No, that shit instantly just, I mean, no, because I was in for a sale on gold. Yeah, I was in for a sale on gold, and that shit rose up a little bit. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, damn, this shit going for a sale. I'm like, all right, cool. And that bitch just kept going up, and I didn't want to get out, and I held it long too. Cause you know, like, usually, sometimes the market just play with you. It'll go in your opposite direction, then it'll go, like, I'm trying to say, it'll go in, like, let's say if you went for a buy, right? It go for a sale just for a little bit, then once you get out, that shit skyrocket. That's what I thought I was finna do. I thought it was just finna, you know what I'm saying, go for a buy for a little bit, then just drop. Hell no. My nigga, I'm telling you, like, that shit, it said minus 250 for, like, every position, and I'm just sitting there, like, I'm struck. Like, have y'all ever been to the point where, like, y'all down so much and y'all just looking at the trade, you just like, damn, should I close this shit or should I just say fucking and just let this shit blow my account? And that's the point I was at. But I'm like, oh no, you just gotta trade this shit, bro. Like, this is NFP. What the fuck are you doing? Why are you here? You don't even know this shit. You just found out about NFP. You saw a fake guru flip like 500 to like 10K on IG just for doing this shit. What the fuck are you doing? So I hop out the trade, and as I hop out the trade, my dad like, hey, get ready, and I'm just like, yo, you talking about getting ready to fucking go? I'm getting ready to fucking cry, like on some real shit. I'm hurt, and like I go to my room because my computer was outside my room at this time. I go to my room, throw my phone. And I'm just like walking around just like, what the fuck? Just like looking like this shit is not real. I'm looking around my room like just, I'm going through it, yo. I'm like, I swear that was such a bad day for me, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I think I low-key cried. Like, I purposely put on some sad music and I cried. But, and then shit, eventually I got ready and I just said, fuck it. Was just like, okay, I'm gonna think about this shit. I'm gonna think about this shit so I don't ever do this shit again on that car ride. That car ride was like 2 hours long there, 2 hours long back. And I'm just in the car like, why do I trade? Like, my trading plan says I don't trade news, but you know when you go against your trading plan because you think you can make hella more money and you end up losing hella more money. So yeah, that was, and my thoughts was that car ride was just, I'm never trading news again. And I'm looking out the window, seeing the cornfields, listening to Juice WRLD and some Zaz shit. I'm just like, damn, bro. Like, I really just blew this shit. Like, an idiot. $1,000 fucking in a day. A fucking idiot. I didn't spend $1 that day. I didn't buy no sparklers, no fireworks, no Snapple crackers, none of that shit, bro. I wasn't trying to spend no bread. My soul was gone that day. That shit. And the thing that hurt the most is I couldn't even trade the next day. So I lost. And then I was just like, damn, dude. Like, this shit gotta sink in for 3 fucking days. I can't trade. And I ain't gonna lie though. Back then I was the type of trader where I was like, yo, I need to make fucking money now. Like on some thirsty shit. I would trade Bitcoin on the weekend. And I would fucking lose. Blow my account. But this definitely taught me a lesson. Like, bro, if you don't know what the fuck you doing, don't fucking do that shit. That's anything you can apply to in life. Don't do that shit. I was just too greedy for money that day. I'm gonna just give y'all some advice. If y'all ever hop in a trade and y'all risking a lot, bro, and y'all ever feel like, oh, like your only thought is damn profit, hop out of that trade. I'm telling you, it's not saying that you're not gonna win. It's just, bro, when you lose, you gonna be devastated. Cause if you're just strictly got the mindset you're gonna win, like even if you're down a decent amount of money, you're not gonna be able to close out because you're like, damn, it's gonna reverse. Because as soon as I close out, it's gonna reverse. But man, that's just some bullshit, bro. I haven't trusted NFP since. I don't like NFP. I turn my alarm off for NFP days. I don't even want to wake up. I don't want to hear nothing about NFP, bro. I don't care. But hey, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. This video was a little longer than I expected. But let me know y'all NFP experiences. Y'all biggest loss. Y'all biggest losses on my IG. You know what I'm saying? It's in the description down below. And that's really what I got all for this video, man. Hopefully y'all can either relate to me on this or y'all learn something to not be a dumbass like me. But that's the end of this video, man. Hopefully y'all have a good night.